Welcome to Futurebytes, where young minds explore the exciting world of robotics and coding. Featured as the best Bay Area summer camp for the years 2022, 2023, and 2024, our program offers an exceptional experience for aspiring tech enthusiasts. Introducing Interactive Exploration of AI, our dynamic course where budding technologists will dive into the amazing world of artificial intelligence. Explore fascinating topics such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics through engaging discussions, hands-on activities, and interactive demonstrations. Discover the vast applications of AI in various industries, from healthcare and education to entertainment and beyond. See how AI is transforming our world and imagine the possibilities. By the end of the course, you'll have a comprehensive overview of the AI field and a robust toolkit to fuel your own projects. Whether creating intelligent chatbots, analyzing complex datasets, or developing innovative solutions, you'll be equipped to turn your AI dreams into reality. Register now at www.futurebytes.tech using the discount code FBSC24 and follow us on social media to stay updated. We look forward to seeing you at a Future Bytes camp. Let's shape the future, one byte at a time.